Always test your zipper to make sure it has no flaws. If the zipper tapes at the top are uneven, we should even them with scissors before inserting. Most of the time zipper tapes are wavy. Make sure you press them beforehand to prevent the fabric from being affected. Place the iron beside the teeth or coils when pressing the tape. We have here 4 standard zippers about 20 centimeters long. Because my fabric has a repeating pattern, I will cut using this pattern as my guide. Now we will cut 8 rectangular pieces of fabric, which are about 10 centimeters longer than our zippers, making sure the fabric pieces are all the same length. The width of our pieces of fabric can be about 15 centimeters. We fold and clip a notch, then cut the fabric. We fold and clip a notch, then cut the fabric.